Number 3 is the official FLSUN SR 3D printer. If you're looking for the ultimate 3D printer to craft those delightful keycaps, look no further than the sensational FLSUN SR Super Racer. Prepare to be blown away by its lightning-fast printing speed of up to 200 millimeters per second, making it an actual speed demon in 3D printing. Not only does this beast boast unparalleled speed, but its precision is also out of this world. The SR Super Racer's large printing size of 5260x330mm guarantees ample space to bring your imaginative designs to life, showcasing your creativity in all its glory. Equipped with a state-of-the-art auto-leveling system and resume printing function, this marvelous machine ensures a seamless printing experience. Fear not, even in the face of power outages or lapses, for your masterpiece will resume its creation right where it left off. The SR Super Racer is not just a printer, it's a commitment to customer satisfaction. With its responsible after-sales service and lifetime technical support, FLSUN has your back every step of the way. If any issues arise, rest assured that their dedicated team will swiftly respond within 24 hours, ensuring you can keep creating without a hitch. So if you want to purchase the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below.